This conference will now be recorded.
For
This
1 minute,
conference
then we'll
will
start.
now be recorded.
Vijay, anybody will join or shall I continue? Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Srini. Yeah, you can continue.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Srinivas Putnuru. So, over 12 years of experience in IT industry. Career initially started as manual tester. So then because I love development, so I asked my manager and I said that I want to move to Java development. And I proved myself and I moved to Java development. So I worked as more than 6.5 years in Java. Then again moved to the cloud computing with Python. So now I'm working as a senior technical lead in one of the reputed organizations. So we are working for cloud computing with Python. So this is overall about me. I just want to know your name and what makes you here. That's it. Nothing more than your name and what makes you here. Simple. Why are you here today with me? What exactly the reason you're trying to you want to learn Python? That's it. Someone start please, so that next will be proceeded.
Yeah, this is Praveen Kumar.
Hi Brian.
I would like to complete the course of data science, so I need Python language.
Okay. Okay.
Artificial intelligence course.
Okay. Okay. So you are working
Needs
currently, or
no,
you are looking?
I'm no, I'm fresher.
Okay. Okay. Next one, please. Guys, this is online class. Please make sure you are not in a classroom. So feel like you are the teacher, you are the student. Please talk. I mean, should be different. You are online. Okay, nobody in front of you to make you something. Okay, talk. You have to talk. That is what I'm expecting in all this. So someone talk and let me know your name and your what makes you here. Simple. Why are you?
Hi, this is Pawan.
I come.
Actually, I'm working in production support. Just I want to move to the development.
Okay.
So I would like to learn the Python.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Next, please.
Hi, this is Shekhar. I'm not working. I'm just looking for opportunities. But then I joined to see the hype of Python. What is Python and why the people are telling like Python, Python. So I just want to know the
Okay.
curiosity behind the Python. That's it. Thank
Nice
you.
answer. Nice. Yeah. Next, please. Next, please. You don't know how to talk in online classes? This is the main problem because everybody know how to learn languages. What is they work for 8 hours, 10 hours to study everything. The only problem is in front of the interviewer. I took almost 800 interviews so far. I know that what people are doing. They know everything, but they don't know how to speak. Let's start with me today. I will make you. You are the perfect. You can do the interviews also with perfect knowledge. Let's start today. From today only start. I will teach you. Please start. Your name and what makes you here. Simple.
Good morning, guys.
Good
This
morning.
is Sunil. I am fresher. I don't have any knowledge about other languages, but I need to join in Python. Career goals and
Perfect.
opportunities. Thanks.
Perfect. Thank you. Yes, next please. I got only 4 responses. Let's
Hi,
see
this
how
is
many.
Naveen. I have total experience in SAP HANA World. So
Okay.
trying to get into Python skill set. So trying to see what the course is all about.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Next, please.
Hi, I'm Devika. I have 5 years of experience in mainframe. I just want to try the Python, so it's going to work for me.
Okay. Next, please. So if you go to any interviews, if I ask what, tell me about yourself, you take this much time. Why you are not able to respond? Guys, please stop.
Hi sir, my name is Harichandana.
Hi.
I am a fresher. I'm here to learn about what is Python today.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, this is Naveen here.
Hi.
So I've been working with Herbalife as a data analyst. So I'm here to know how can I implement Python in my day-to-day activities about how can I use this programming language, whatever you call it, scripting language to, you know, mm,
Okay. Understood. I understood.
sorry,
Thank you. Yeah.
sorry, give me a minute.
class over. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now what I got it today is if I start the so I can talk to only 8 people. People will be in a silent mode. Okay, why are you asking this question? Is there are two things with me. That is everyday class. If you have any doubt, only I can expect doubts from almost 8 people only, not more than that. This is the first thing I always do. So people who can talk to me is what first important thing. Okay, so I know that people have a lot of problems. I know that that is what fearing lot of things is there. Everything will be slowly. I will change the behavior so that you will be succeeded in interviews. That is the first part. Now, second part, I have if I explain some topic, I have lots of examples with me. I have lots of examples. If I say one topic, I can explain in 3 ways. So there are two things here: freshers and experienced guys. So experienced mean they are already working in some other things, so they want to move to Python. Coming to the freshers, they know C or C++ or Java, but they want to learn Python. So if I take a real-time example, they don't understand. Freshers can't understand that because the terminology, the things and all will be different because they don't know what exactly real-time happens. So I will check that how many freshers are there in my batch. So I will take the example so that everybody can understand. If everybody working, then I will take a maximum complex example to make understand better. So these are the two things I don't want to waste time. That's why I'm asking what makes you here, so that I know how many freshers are there, so that I will explain. The 3 ways I will choose what is the way I have to explain this topic to the people. That is the only thing I have. That's it.
Hey,
Okay.
hi, this
So
is Gopal.
hi Gopal. Yeah.
I am new to this Python.
Okay. You're working already, or
Yeah, I'm already working in Wipro, but it's another domain.
okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks,
Hi,
guys.
this is Hari.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. I'm
Hello.
able to hear you.
Okay. So I'm Hari Komana, having 19 years of experience. I work as a project manager for SAP
Okay.
projects with
Cool.
TCS. So I
Okay.
have various skill set in SAP and also having some programming background. So Python is especially the reason for me to learn Python is I'm currently working on IoT platform as a hobbyist.
Okay. Okay.
So for this, we for the cloud part for computing IoT, integrating IoT to cloud platform, we need to have Python. So
Okay.
learning basics is not very
Okay.
essential in these days. So what I thought of is to have an in-depth knowledge of Python so that it will cater to my upcoming projects as not only as a hobbyist but also as a presenter for the.
Yes. 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 If there is a thought for cloud computing, yes, Python is mandate.
Yes.
Mandatory, not mandatory, but good for cloud computing. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is the flavor for cloud computing these days.
Got it.
Besides
Got
Java.
it. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, let me stop. It's already 8:20. Okay. So yeah. So this is what 10 people only can ask the doubts in any seminar or anything. This is what I proved today. So don't worry. If you are with me, I will definitely make you. I will change you. Okay. Yeah. Now talk about history. So I used to give preference to the basics very much. Okay, basics is the main thing to learn something. Because directly going to some middle topic, taking that opportunity to learn, that is what not I don't like it at all. So basic is very important. Please make sure you are understanding better. If you have any concerns, any doubts, please raise. No problem. Okay, you are not in a class. Please make sure you are not in a class. You are in an online. Nobody watching you. Nobody knows you. Okay, this is your world today. Yeah. So the author is GVR. I call GVR Guido van Rossum. Okay, he's actually from Netherlands. Okay, so he was in a park in 1981. He was in a park. So he was thinking like he was in park, meaning what? They just came to enjoy something, enjoy the nature, and but still he was thinking like,
I'm
what
sorry to
exactly?
interrupt. Your voice is echoing and it's repeating.
Oh, is it? It is for you or everybody? Is it echoing?
No, it is fine for me.
It is fine,
Okay,
fine.
then you have a problem. You have a problem. I don't have any problem. Please check your things. Or you have speaker connected and both are working, I mean parallelly. See that, remove one thing.
No. I connected through my earphones, but then okay, you can continue if everything is not working.
This one is the problem. There is a wire maybe disconnected or something. You can change or make it loudspeaker something. Anything is fine. Yeah, Guido van Rossum. So he was in a park. He was thinking that what exactly currently we have, what exactly I can implement. Okay, let us say, I mean, every day at 12 o'clock, there is a program in Telugu, Abhiruchi something. So the chef will come, he will give one item every day. So how it is possible for him, how it is not possible for us? How it is possible for him to give every day new item to cook something? How it is possible for him, why it is not possible for us? I mean, our mothers, sisters, they do always same thing, sambar, chutney, puri, like that. But every day chef will come in the program and he will give one new product to every day. So what is the difference between him and our people? You got me? Every day TV news channels, 12 p.m. program for all the ladies. There are new items to cook. How it is possible for them? Why it is not possible for us? So what his duty? That is his duty. What he will do every day? So he will clear out, he will list out what are the things available today, what exactly I can make out of it. But we don't think, we don't need, because that is not our duty. Our duties are different. So Guido van Rossum was thinking like, what exactly the languages we have right now, like Pascal, Fortran, C, what we say, COBOL, so that time. So these are the languages we have. Can I make a best product so that everybody will be happy? Here everybody is very important. Why? Because why people are choosing for Pascal, why people are choosing for COBOL, why people are choosing for C, there are some things are there. So that there is clear difference why they are using. So I will make a best product so that everybody will come to Python. Just he was thinking, he was not in front of the computer, he just thinking in 1981. So 1981, thinking is done. Then he came to the implementation. He created a team with 40 people, I think so. He created a team and he completely developed. Can you guess when Python released? I mean, when it was completed with Guido van Rossum team? So the Python first version released in 1990 with version 0.9.0. He took almost 9 years to implement Python. So the first released in 1990 with version 0.9.0. Can you guess when Java released? Anybody? Anybody can guess when Java released? Year, just year. No problem. Even I didn't guess properly. Everybody laughed also. So you can start. When Java released? Please talk to me. Otherwise, you are not fit for software industry, I'm sure. I'm sure.
1996.
1992. Thank you. One more guess, please.
1996.
1996. One more guess, please. Array, guess meaning what? You can say your name also, I don't mind. Guess meaning I do whatever I want. Say your birthday also, not a problem. Guess. Please try to understand my problem. Guess. Yeah.
1990s.
19?
95.
97. Perfect. One more. Why? I need only 4 guesses only. I know people, only 10 people can talk. I know that. That is proved in the first 5 minutes only. Yes.
Yeah, I was born in 1994, so you can mention 1994.
Thank you so much. This is what guess meaning. Talk. I want to talk with you. That's it.
1970.
Super. Already here, but anyway, I will put here. Okay. So tell me, Python released first or Java released first? Guess. Again, guess.
Python.
Again, guess. Python.
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 Python,
Okay.
sir.
1995 Java released. Now, did you think anything about before joining my class? Because if you know that Java Python released first, then why Python is popular last 10 years only? Why it is not popular? Did you ever think that one? So if you go to any institute earlier, 10 years back, only 3 things will be there: Java, .NET, Oracle, MySQL. That's it. No more topics. But nowadays, people are talking about Python. But actually, Python released first. So what is the best I did? I mean, I guess my guess is always wrong, because that is what my manager asked me. Do you know when Python released? I said after Java only. Because after Java only, I'm hearing about Python. But actually thing happened is Java released next. But why Python? Why nowadays Python is popular, very popular? It is actually released before Java. Why that it was not popular, and we will discuss it. Okay, yes, but Python is super senior. Okay, Java released in 1995, Python released 1990. Okay, now coming to the top 10 programming languages and everything. In 2002, the Python position was 16. So there is no place for Python in top 10. And 2012, the position was 7. And 2018 to 2020, the position was, some websites say 2, some websites say 1. This is the Python moving positions like this. Come down. So nowadays, when you search in any, I mean, there are a lot of websites are giving what is the top 10 languages and all. Okay, some websites are giving 1, some websites are giving 2. So what place I have to give for Python is 1 or 2, you will decide after our classes. Okay, you talk to Java people, then you decide. I will give the questions also, what questions we need to ask Java people, so that I will prove that my side is Python is top 1 language. Okay, till then make it 2. So after you talk to Java people, then you say I'm Python 1. Clear? Yeah. So this is the history. GVR is the author, Guido van Rossum, released in 1990 with version 0.9.0. There are a lot of versions released till 2020, so we will discuss versions also. So now about Python. The first one. So this first one is everybody will be happy. The people who joined as a freshers, they will be very happy, firstly. And people who are already working, they don't have programming concepts or programming experience, they also will happy. So entirely bottom line is everybody will happy because of the first line. So the first line is it's beginner's language. What is this beginner's language? So I got a call in 2017 from one of the school in Hyderabad, Cambridge school. Principal called me and said that, sir, we see that you are a Python teacher. So can you come and explain, teach Python to my 10th class people? I said, why do you need, ma'am, Python? They are studying 10th standard. Why do you need right now? Let them complete all the things, then they can. No. They are enjoying the holidays. So we thought of giving one special 1 month classes of Python, so that it is sometime we can make them to sit in front of the computer, do something. No, ma'am. I know that it's a beginner's language. I know. She said that I searched in Google, sir. Finally, everybody suggested Python. Okay, I know, ma'am. I know that everybody can. I mean, 10th class standard also people can start with Python. But why? No, sir. Let's take 1 week classes. Then we will see that. 1 week complete mess. They couldn't understand anything. But after 35 classes, they started programming. Srini, it is because of your teaching? No, I don't like. Because of Python. Because of the concepts, the thing, the syntaxes, everybody there in Python, that everybody makes you understand. Beginner's language. The first thing I want to highlight is no prerequisite to learn Python. C, C++, Java not required, not at all required. You should know only one thing, that is Windows operating system, how to operate a computer, that everybody knows. I know that. You are working in Linux, yes, how to operate Linux system, that's it. How to operate Ubuntu system, that's it. It's a beginner's language. A fresh mind is needed, that's it, to learn Python. And Srini always with you. So you just try your hard and try working for 2 hours per day, that's it. You will be a best developer in the industry. Beginner's language, nothing required to learn Python. And second one is very, very easy syntaxes, nothing complex. And third one is completely terminology used with dictionary words, not complex terminology. Mixing things as a word, no, not like that. Every command, every syntax is very easy. It is directly taken from the dictionary, not mixed with other words. Clear? It is proved, it is not given by Srini, it is proved in the industry itself. Okay, you can search in Google, the beginner's language is Python. Now tell me, so if you want to create a product, there are some base ingredients will be there, right? Like cooking. Chef is cooking something. He will pray the God, God will give the gift to him, or he will take the existing ingredients and he will cook.
Existing ingredients.
Ingredients and he will cook, right? Thank you. So if Python is to be developed, something should be base is there to implement, right? Is it the Gudo Van Rajam thinking and started praying God after 9 years God given? No. They have implemented. So to implement something, the base should be there. Can you guess what is the base language they took? They implement Python. So completely developed using C language. Completely. 90%. The other 10% they use COBOL and all, that's a different story. But we can say Python is developed based on C language. Can you guess how Java developed? What is the base language for Java? Guess. Say your name, no problem. Say your name, I don't have any problem. I want to talk with you. That's it.
C++.
I think C and COBOL.
C, COBOL, okay. C++, okay. One more. You are in room, nobody watching you. I don't know you, nobody knows you. Please guess. How Java developed?
Then I go with C++.
C++. Okay. One more. I need only last one. Only 4 guesses I want. Last guess, please. Last guess, please.
C.
C language. Yes. Yeah, the last guess is correct one. C language. They completely developed using C language. Now, can you tell me? I have a question here. If C is there, why not we go for C language? Why we need to use all Python, Java, and if they both are developed using C? Now, can you guess intelligent way now?
It have different features. Oops.
Oops. Okay. Okay.
Objects
Okay.
like
Hmm. Any other guess?
Java is more data oriented actually. C is a middle level language.
So why not we can't use directly C language?
It is a middle level language, right?
Okay. Okay. Got it. One more guess. Okay. So yeah,
I think
your
it's
answer is perfect. Yeah. Tell me.
I mean, it has to do something with the user friendliness.
User friendliness. Perfect. This is what I'm trying to. Yeah. One more. Yeah, your oops concepts, user middleware, I'm okay right now. I'm okay. But thing is, let me. Yeah, the guy said, our friend said user friendly something. Yeah, this is the answer. Now I need to ask because many people are there. They don't know anything about programming. And okay, now tell me, why do we need TV remote?
To control the channels.
So if you don't have remote, can you do a? Can you operate your TV?
Yes, with
We can.
mobile phone.
No, without mobile. Can you go to
Yes.
TV and operate? Is it possible?
Yes, we do. We
No,
do have.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, it
There
is
are options to
possible.
increase volume.
yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, there is no use of TV then. Yes or no?
Yeah, remote
Yes.
control will
Why?
just ease our work.
Even though you are in front of the TV, that is only 10 feet away, but people come and search for remote only. Why? This is the basic behavior for all human beings. They are in front of the TV just 10 feet away, but still they search for remote. Why? My life simple, Srini. My life simple, simple. I will sit and operate my TV with
User
remote.
friendliness.
User friendly.
Make the job easier.
This is what TV C language, remote is Python or Java. Simple. For today, I'm explaining. So remote is developed based on TV settings or not?
Yes.
Yes, right. Because your remote cannot be operated with another TV, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple. That is what. C language is there, but C language is bit complex. Because let us say one topic, if I want to implement that topic in C language, it will take 200 lines of code. But if I do the same thing in Python, it will take just 20 lines. So people go with what? 20 lines only. How did they do? They have given a feature as a right remove. But base is actually C language only. But they did some implementations, they created some features in Python that we can use so that my 200 lines of code will become 220 lines in Python. Okay, that's what second point. Now third point. It's free and open source. So I don't need to explain what is free here. Everybody clear, right? Free. The word itself
Yes.
will give lots of energy to us, right? Free. It's free. No need to pay even 1 rupee to Python people. GVR. You can install freely. No need to pay. Now, what is open source here? What
No
exactly
license
mean?
required.
No
No
license
license
required.
required.
No license will require is coming under free only.
I think it can be installed in any other
But
Windows or Apple
you
or.
guessed it right. 1 second. Still you guessed it. Let me write there. Okay. No license required. I need to consider that because it is a guess. Yeah. Second one. Someone explaining, please start.
So the recipe is available, so you can make use of the recipe the way you want it.
Code is available. Huh?
Yeah, open to make changes.
Yes,
Open to make
it is
change.
there, and you can modify it as per your requirement.
Okay. One more guess. What is open source?
It's on the cloud.
It's on the cloud. Cloud, okay.
Easy to read.
Easy to read.
Easy to understand.
Understand, okay. Okay, let me tell you one bad story today. Okay, you may not like it, but I have to say that one because that's the only thing that I can explain. Okay, so you got an opportunity, on-site opportunity. You're bachelor, not married. Okay, so uh, almost 6 years you spent there. Almost you earn 1 crore rupees. So ultimately, when we come back to India, the first target is to buying the house. Okay, so you took the plot for 50 lakhs. Okay, so after 6 years, you became a senior, technical lead, just technical lead, not senior technical lead. So you bought the plot, but you want to build a house. Since you don't have time, so you approached a contractor to build your house. So contractor came to your room or home and he said that, okay, sir, we can build this house with 50 lakhs. Okay, so we will start if you give the 20 lakhs, what we say, 20 lakhs advance. Okay, you gave 20 lakhs advance, so he started building the house and so every weekend you are going and watching, the progress. So after 3 months, your contractor was dead. He was no more. What exactly you do?
Find the new job.
So I'm the new contractor. I came to your home. Can we start the discussion now?
I'll bargain to reduce the cost.
No. I'm here. I'm in front of you. Please start the discussion because everybody should understand, no? I'm in front of you now. Let me start. Sir, you called me. I came to you. Tell me, sir, what exactly you want. Start. Anybody can take chance also. No problem. I'm the contractor ultimately. Please start the discussion with me.
So saying that the last job, after that I need to talk to the contractor, right?
No, it is in progress. It is in middle. After 3 months, actually the plan is 6 months to be completed. Okay, after 3 months, contractor was no more.
Okay, so we can say
Now,
that
this
is already.
contract no more means almost work is stopped because you don't have any contact with others. What exactly you do now? You gave only 20 lakhs advance to the contractor. That's over.
Stopped. I mean, the support is stopped. He is not working anymore.
Building construction is stopped because he was no more.
So I'll talk to him that why don't you transfer the agreement with the other contractor?
Whom you will talk?
As a contractor with you.
Contract is not there, no?
Then whom am I talking to right now?
That's what I'm asking.
If I understand it correct, so you mean to say that the work is already in progress? It was done at least
You have
20%
only
of it,
in
and
touch
then
with the contractor only. You have in touch with the contractor only. Okay, the contractor only. You are going watching and.
No, I think so. Can you please repeat your question because we did not get it correctly.
Yeah, you are in touch with contractor only. You gave advance to contractor only. Okay, he was no more. I think you know, right? The team will be like daily wages. The people who are working for you to build the house, they are working people and they know only contract only. They don't know about you. But you need to finish your house. What exactly you do?
I'll give the contract to other one.
I'm the other one. I came to your home. Let us start the discussion.
Okay, this is what happened. So
yes.
Okay, so
how much will you take it for the remaining work?
Good sir, thanks for giving the work to me.
Yeah.
Remaining work I can consider, I can tell you only after watching what?
The up to what happened. I need to see that.
No, think again. That is correct. First I need to watch something in your home itself. What is that?
Yeah, right. And the building construction plan and everything.
Perfect, stop it. Thank you. Now, do you have plan with you? I didn't say anything while explaining the story.
I should have it. Otherwise, how would I select the home?
That. You gave only 20 lakhs only, I said. I didn't say that contractor given a plan to you, right?
See, when I'm buying the flat or home without
That's what I'm talking. Your chance is yes. When you are there, yes, definitely you will take. But unfortunately, the guy who came to India, he just given 20 lakhs and he said that please construct.
Okay. He doesn't know what they are
Back
constructing.
the contractor is not given anything back to you.
Okay.
So we'll change the plan.
I'm the new contractor. I'm asking, sir, can you give me the plan of your house? Then what is your response now? Let's say you are there, like that in that position.
Okay. Then I'll tell him I don't know anything about the plan or anything. So now onwards, I can give my view.
Tell me, the second contractor definitely laugh or not?
For sure.
Sure, right?
Yeah.
Now, second contractor will say, sir, this is very complex, sir. Now, I don't know what exactly happened so far and what is remaining also, I don't know, right?
Yes.
If I have the plan only, I can tell you what happened now, what is the remaining one. I don't have any plan. You don't have any plan. How can I do this, sir? This is very complex. You are in big trouble, sir. You are in big trouble, sir. The guy who is constructing the things, the plan is not shared, is called closed source. The guy who is constructing things, the plan is shared to all the people, that is called open source.
Open source. Distributed open source software.
Yes. So what is Python? People are saying that, sir, we build the construction, we build the C language, we build the Python language, and we are giving the code to you so that you know how did we implement.
Kind of Linux.
Yes. So open source is directly giving to you, sir, my plan, how this feature has been implemented. Everything is given to you, sir. You can do whatever you want.
Yep.
And we are not closing anything, sir. I am giving directly to you, open source. Opening, sir, you just see your my code also. You can change whatever you want.
Yeah, you can add the distros.
Yes, you can customize. Now tell me, do you know everybody know VLC player?
Yes.
So when I start a video, it should start from 5th minute. Is it possible?
No.
Why? When you start the video, it will start from 0th second, right? But I want to start from whenever I open a video, it should start from 5th minute.
VLC player also open source, I think. Yeah, we can do that. The coding? No. Yeah. Not the Windows player.
VLC player is open source?
Yep, I think so.
Yeah, sir.
Then it is possible.
Not the Windows Media Player.
Windows Media Player is what? Closed source. So that's
Yeah,
it. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Simple. Because the code is not with, the plan is not with you. How do you know where exactly I need to modify? If the plan is shared with you, then you will come to know, okay, what is to be done. And they will give a documentation also, how to change and all. If they are not sharing the code, what is the use of giving the documentation? Now you got me what is open source. Now tell me, open source is advantage or disadvantage? Yeah, someone is asking, yes.
So what is the use if they are sharing with everyone?
That's what I'm asking. That's the next question now. Tell me, is it a disadvantage or disadvantage?
Both.
Now I will tell you one line to you. Now think again. Coming all languages will come as open source only. There is no way they will come as closed source.
Yep.
If the language people, even 2025, there is a new language coming XYZ, maybe that is also open source only. Now think what is the advantage of open source?
It can download and run, but I don't know about the security wise enterprise level.
Okay.
That's the advantage. Disadvantage is support.
Okay.
right? So, for example, if you take the OpenSUSE, you will not have the, I mean, like you can download and run it, but if you want to have the support, you need to buy it. If you don't buy the support,
That they will decide whether to buy and the coming.
yeah,
The point is giving the source to the users is advantage or disadvantage.
advantage, they can modify and they can add more features.
The first one is I want to start. I have a videos, VLC player videos. I know that every video will 5 minutes has what we say advertisements. So I want to make VLC player in my system work like when I open a video, it should start from 50 minutes. Now tell me, user will be happy or not?
Yep, not like Apple OS.
Right? So he will not go with Windows Media Player or not? So
He will not.
everybody will buy VLC player or not?
Yes.
Yes, because you can customize the things. And the climax names will come almost 5 minutes. I don't want climax. Every video should stop before 5 minutes itself. That's it. So let us take one scenario. So you are writing one code. But the code should work in a different way for you. You can change it. That is the first advantage of open source. That is, you can customize your things as per your project requirements. So every language can sell their product only by saying, sir, we are open source, sir. Whatever you want, you can customize. We are not hiding anything. That is the first one. Can you get second advantage? Now I will tell you one story. I bet also, if it is a closed source, if first version released in 2020, the next version will be released in 2021 only. If it is an open source, every 3 months there is a new version will come.
Yep.
Can you guess why?
Because a lot of people add their distros and modify the code, original code.
So Voodoo Androsm team is not intelligent people. Don't think that they are very intelligent. So they are also our developers only. So if they share the code with you, then you will see the code and you will complain saying that, sir, this code is not good, sir. Can you change it like this? And second one, sir, this feature is not there in your code. Can you please add this feature? These are the forums. Everybody will complain only after watching the code. See, actually Python 0.9.0 right now the version is 3.8. How they are giving all the release versions? Because they identify the issues. How they are identifying the 40 people who developed the Python? No. The people who are working with Python, they see the code, they will give the complaint saying that the feature is not there, sir. This is not working as expected. This is something like. So open source is very advantageous to give the features to. Do you know why everybody, if in a WhatsApp is there, why beta version will be released? Can you guess? They will not directly release the version. Instead, they will release the beta version to the users. Why?
Because they want to check the bugs.
Beta itself is, sir, my product may have bugs. They can test now. Why they are giving to us? They can still test, right?
Because they need the third eye.
They need the third eye. Why? Because the people who are working, they have only 50 test cases how to test the WhatsApp. But coming to users, they have different scenarios. They will check, they will test, and they will monitor. They will give the feedbacks to the WhatsApp people saying that this feature is not working. So always better to give the product to the users and give the implementation also. You see lot of things, lot of miracles, lot of appreciations also. Perfect codes are perfectly implemented. Sir. Clear? 3 points. Beginners,
yes.
C language, free and open source. Any doubts before moving to the next one?
So if there are some issues in the code or some in the product, the release, and who's going to support that?
Simple. Nobody will support. You need to complain. That will be fixed in the next release. Simple. That is what release is coming.
Okay.
See, your Android is updating, right? When you are updating Android, did you see any comments there? 13.1 is going to 13.2. 99% people directly upgrade Android. Do you ever see what is the description they are giving?
No.
No, please check today, every day, not every day. Whenever you are upgrading your Android, please check that there are minimum 2 bug fixes will be there. We have fixed this bug, we have fixed this bug. Even iPhone also. How they know that this bug is there? Someone report.
Okay.
Okay, that is what. Any bug is there, they will fix it and they will give it in next release. Clear?
That is clear.
Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, I can start the next one also, but it is already 8:15 because I need to talk something with you. So I'm stopping here, demo. Okay. Now, so my Python classes will be, so 1 to 30 days core Python. Very important. It's heart of Python. Code itself is hard anywhere. Okay. Not only, I don't need to share this. It's a core very much required for all your things. So it will take 1 to 30 days. Then advanced Python, 30 days. Then advanced Python. So here you will see oops, regular expression, threading, and database interaction. So it will take 15 days. And then Django framework, it will take 15 days. This is actually the plan of my classes. So core Python, 30 days, advanced Python, oops, regular expression, threading. So once you finish this course, I mean this 45 days, you are eligible to create a resume and you can put your projects as standalone applications, not web applications or not web services. Okay, but if you really want to work as a web application developer or web programming or web service designer or web service implementer, anything, then you need a Django framework. We have lots of framework in Python, but Django is very, 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 very popular. So coming to Django, you can learn how you will become a web developer, web programming, and you can implement web services also. So after this finishing, during these classes itself, I will give some entry questions also. How I know, I will give you guidance how to solve the issues, and I will take the entries also during the classes itself. I think you have seen today. This is the way I will explain. I will always talk with you. I will always talk with you. So after completion of 60 classes, after completion of all my Python classes, you don't need to go for any other training to know Python. That is very sure. You will completely learn about Python. Now you can start your resume saying that to projects and saying that I am the Python developer working in so and so company. And I will give the complete project guidance. You can implement one complete web application project after completion of 60 classes with the help of one front-end developer. If you don't find any front-end developer, ask me. I will provide one front-end developer to you. He will just implement the front-end, the back-end completely implemented by you. And project guidelines will be given to you. That is up to you. So if you are ready to work for 8 hours per day, yes, you can implement the complete web application project with the help of one front-end developer in 30 days. But if you go through all my topics perfectly, then you can implement in 30 days. Now this is overall about your skills that will be implemented, that will be increased after completion of my 60 classes. Now after that, sir, we are freshers. How can we start the resumes and all? So the resume guidance also will be given to you. The projects also will be given to you with explanation also will be given to you. I will give the project and also I will give the explanation and also I will give the what are the questions they ask in the interview with answers I will provide. Nothing will be documented. Everybody has to talk to me only. I don't give any document to you saying that please read this one. I will give only the project explanations. Okay, I will be always available. I will share the number also. Whenever you are going for interview, please talk to me 30 minutes before that, before the one day. So I will give the complete guidance to you. I will give the projects to you. I will make you are the one of the best web application developer. And Srini, we are working already, so how can we start? So you are already working. If the designation is something like system engineer, something like that, you can put a fake experience saying that I have 3 years of experience in Python, so and so projects. Projects also will be given to you. You can go for interview and you can crack the interview. Coming to the freshers, if they have completed PG, you have only 2 years of gap, then you can place 2 years of fake experience also. The fake things also I can guide you. Who is giving the fake experience certificates in India, and how to treat and how to handle those issues also I can solve. Srini, we are not ready to do this. Okay, we have another opportunity. That is the next one is you can be fit for online trainer. There are lots of institutes are waiting for the online teachers. You can work as an online teacher. You can earn money still. No, I don't like
Same,
to
there is all
teach.
right. So I have one question. So
Yeah.
you have there are lot of Python enthusiasts outside. So how do you certify if I want to add it to my profile? So is there any body that certifies a candidate that this guy is a Python certified?
Python certifications you are talking?
Yeah, kind of. Yes.
No Python certifications. Don't go for any certification. See, 10th class people also can do miracles with Python. So that's why they don't like certification sector. See, Python is a beginner's language. Everybody can learn. Why do we need? Why do you need to show that I know this one? The current industry is looking for the people in Python, especially. That is correct, but they don't see the certifications and all. They see some other things that slowly you will understand.
Okay.
Developed
So
games
one
and
more question is
Since you asked me, let me share you one thing. We have all the batches running, so I will give one question to the batch. Okay, they will write the code. But the thing in Python is you can implement one thing in 8 ways. Minimum 8 ways. Sorry, maximum 8 ways you can implement. So in every real-time project, your Python code reviewed by 2 times. One is your team lead, then your manager will review the code. So in what they review, my code is working fine. What they review, did you use the best strategy to finish this task? So out of 8 implementation, what is the best one that you have to write? That is what I'm asking. So the reviewer will say, yes, your code is working fine, but we don't like this code. Okay, every batch they are writing the code, but they are writing in 20 lines. After writing 20 lines, I am showing how can you write this 20 lines code in 5 lines. Now tell me, you go with 20 lines or 5 lines? 5
okay.
lines, right?
Got it, Srini. One
5
more
lines only,
question.
right?
I'm
5.
sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt you again.
No,
So
no
I have
problem.
one more question.
Yeah.
Can you touch upon what is the role of Python in data analysis?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I mean, demo is continuing, right? So, yeah, 3 days demo is there. The next 2 days it will be covered.
Okay, fine. Great.
Your
Great.
question will be covered. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
If you
All
really
right.
want to right now, I can explain in 2 lines.
No, for the
Okay.
benefit of everybody,
So
you
data
can
science
continue
is
with
a
whatever
very
discussion you have planned.
yeah, data science is a very huge thing. Okay. So what happened is data science requires one language support to handle their data. Okay. Right. What happened? Every language is trying to give their best. So the first thing is what Python is basically a beginner's language, right? So data science is newly introduced, right? Now tell me who can come to the data science, developer or tester?
tester.
Developer.
Developer only. But if really tester wants to come there, can they think about Python or not? Tester will think about Python. Let me learn Python first, then I can go for data science. Right? Why you think about Python is Python people given a best module in data science. Python people given a best module in data science so that you can interact with the data in easier way. If you take data science program in Java, if it is taking 200 lines, in Python, the same code can be taken in 125 lines. But base is Python. So if you want to really go with data science, yes, Python is mandatory. Python is the best. You see the miracles in data science with Python. Okay, yeah. So one more opportunity I'm explaining. The one more opportunity. The first opportunity you try for your job. Second opportunity you work as a trainer. The third opportunity is very important. That is in US, everybody will complete MS and all, and they will directly start resuming with 8 years of experience, 9 years of experience in Python, and they will take illegal interviews. Illegal meaning what? They will transfer the call to Indian people. Indian people will take the interview and they will succeed in the interview also. But after that, they will come to the real-time working. Even they don't know anything about Python, but they will start the working because of people who work for him in India. That means they will work in the US projects, but you need to code for them. They will share their screen to you. You need to write code for their tasks. For every month, they will give you 40,000 rupees. So because of this, what you get, you will get the real-time experience because they will take the requirements from the company and they will share with you. Every day morning, you need to work for 2 hours, just 2 hours. 2 hours, they will explain the task and you need to finish. But ultimately, the first one is very important for your career. Because second one is online teaching. Okay, that is okay. That is a part-time is fine, but if the full-time is not good. But full-time is good for the other guys who don't know go for companies and they are working as housewives and all, they can go for. But third one is very important right now. Why? Because after completion of my classes, if you work for a US people, you get the real-time exposure so that you will answer all the questions in the interview. So my suggestion is what? First choose the first option, then third option, then second option. Okay, yeah, I explained all the things. Now your questions, please. All your questions. Don't worry, you are in room. I'm not seeing you. I'm not watching you. You can ask any question too. No problem.
Okay. Srini, I need your number then.
Definitely.
See, I think you remember me. I'm attending the other class with you.
Yeah. I know you.
See, so I'm a team lead. I work for AIG, VMware Cloud Engineer. I'm trying to get into the Google and Facebook kind of companies. I gave the Facebook interview. I cracked the coding round. I'm able to write the code, but I'm not able to convey the, how it is going because of data structures and everything. So that's the main reason I'm attending your.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And the second thing is I'm interested in
Some set
development.
of questions only, data structures. I really don't know, but my friends always say we have
No,
only 20 like that.
no, that's a different beast. Google has a separate team to develop the new questions. You cannot find it in online.
Okay.
And Apple. I gave the Facebook 2 times and I gave the Google 2 times.
So
I
we
gave
can
the
apply
Facebook
6 months or
16
1
rounds.
year. 16 rounds.
Yeah.
But our life will be settled here once again.
So the thing is, no, I'm in USA right now.
Okay.
Texas time.
No problem. So you can keep trying, or you need to wait for again 6 months.
No, I'm interested in development too. So.
Okay.
So
No, if you want to go for Facebook again, do you need to take some time gap?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So I need your number. So I need your suggestions. So I'll talk about this later. I don't want to disturb your demo class.
No problem. So
yeah.
Hi, Srini.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Tell me all your questions.
Yeah. This is Kalyani, sir. So after completion
Don't say
of
sir,
class.
Srini was only. I am not your sir.
Okay.
I know Python. You know Python. That is the only difference. Yes.
Okay. So after completion of the class, so can you explain real-time project? So I want to learn real-time.
Yes. I will make you to write entire project, one from your end. Second, I will teach you what exactly the real-time project.
Okay. Like the duration, sir. How much time it will take?
Duration nothing, because classes will be finished. I will share my number. Okay.
Okay.
You and me and talk. That's it.
Okay.
You will say, Srini, I am ready to work. Now I will say, this is the requirement. Please finish. If you stuck somewhere, I will come and jump. I will come and write your code.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So can I have your
So,
number, because
yeah,
I want.
definitely. But let me tell
So
you one thing.
I want to
See,
talk
I
to
will, I
you
will explain
now.
like this. See, I
So
will explain like this. 1 second. I will explain like this. This is the page. This is the username. This is the go button. This will be implemented by the front-end developer. I said, right, you need one front-end developer.
Yeah.
Right, one front-end developer required to implement. So I will explain the requirement like this. User enters the data. Whenever he submit, a new page should be displayed here with all the details. Right, front-end guy will do all this stuff to you, but the data coming here should be given by your side. So this is called backend. Front-end guy will interact with backend. Backend will send data back to front-end guy. Front-end will show the data here.
Yeah.
Every day I give the requirements like this. Your front-end people also will join in the call. I will explain like this. Don't worry, people are already implemented projects. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Srini.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Hi. Sorry for the interruption. This is Vijaya from Kerala.
Don't like sorry, please. Please, guys, don't use sorry word here.
Yeah,
Please,
I actually this is Vijaya from
yeah.
Kerala.
Yeah.
Want to share some information regarding batch details. Hi
Yeah.
everyone. Batch will be starting from November 2nd, Monday, and timing is 6:15 a.m. IST. And for any other information, you can contact us. I already kept contact numbers in chat box. Please check, and if you have any other information, you can contact through those numbers. Thank you.
Due to festival, we are just postponing the demo and continue classes. So November 2nd is the date, right? November
That's
2nd.
fine. I have a question,
Yeah.
that how the Python can be used in the automation of the manual tasks, which can be using on NLP and then these things.
Yeah. So that is what the next two demo classes, this question will be answered with perfect answer. Okay, someone already asked me data science, and your question is automation. The third question is Hadoop. The next question is SAP. How these things definitely works with Python and all. So there is a small story, about 15 minutes it will take. So next demo class definitely it will be covered.
But then here, like the classes will start from November 2nd. But then it's I hear like it's not a demo session; it's like direct class. So just wanted to know, do we have a demo?
No,
Still?
we had 3 demo classes actually, because I didn't complete actually what is Python advantages and all. So there is advantages topic. There you see the output of this your question.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we have 3 demo classes. Yeah. Next question. I know you have a lot of questions, please. Please raise. Definitely I will share the number. So once we are on track, definitely I will share the number.
Do you have real-time experience?
I have 12 years of experience in working as a senior technical lead.
Okay.
Because since you asked me, let me share again. So I said 60 days of classes. Okay, I don't mind extending this class to 5 months also, I don't mind. But you please talk to me. You please raise your concerns. Srini, I didn't understand this question. Please explain 5 times, 10 times, I'm ready. Ultimately, once you are coming out of this batch, you should be the best developer in the industry. Since I'm working, I'm not dependent on the money for this. Okay, because you asked me, let me show you one thing here. See, these are all batches done with me. So I used to create WhatsApp group everywhere. So these are all batches are very happy right now. So I'm not promoting myself. I'm saying that These are all batches completed with me, and everybody we have lot of batches. Everybody we used to discuss. Okay, so there is one batch here. It took almost 5 months. 5 months I took. Why 5 months? Why 5 months is people are asked a lot of doubts, lots of doubts. I was very happy with that batch. Really, I'm saying, I'm very happy. Now, 3 people are invited me for their marriage. So after 5 months, we became best friends. The doubts are like, I want to trouble Srinivas today. The first 1 month is fighting like that only. Okay, so see, today itself, you are unable to tell what exactly makes you here. Please start thinking different way with me. Definitely you will be succeed. Okay, perfect question asked me today. You have real-time experience. Yes, that is what I need. Talk to me as a friend, not like a teacher. Because you are paying, I'm serving. Yeah, stop it. One more question. Any other?
Srini, what will be timing?
Timing, they will
What will be
decide
time?
mostly 6:15 to 7:15.
Evening,
Morning. Yeah, we have another batch 7:15 to 8:15. That's why.
Okay.
Only 1 hour in a day, sir?
Yeah, 1 hour. Yes.
Okay.
Total duration is 2 months, right?
2 months. If you are not asking any doubts.
He will
Duration is
kill
2
in
months.
1 hour.
Penny, we will trouble you. I'm okay to teach 3 months. No problem. Any doubts? Srini, we have a lot of doubts, but we don't ask today. We will slowly see the. Yeah, that is also fine. Okay, we'll meet on November 2nd. Okay. Thank you, guys. Happy Dasara.
Demo class or normal class on November 2nd?
This will be continued. Wherever I stop from there, I will continue. That is demo class only.
Okay.
Okay, I don't like to say this is a demo because demo is what? To sell something, but I didn't sell anything today. Okay, I said the way I teach. That's it. I just explained Python features also. About Python history. Python is done. The next class is what? What are the advantages of Python? What are the disadvantages of Python? Why do we need Python? Why do we need Python for automation? Why do we need Python for data science and all? After 3, then I will explain how to install Python. After 5th class, we will start programming.
Srini, already I'm attending the other class, 50% is done. So can I have your number?
Yeah, definitely. But right now I can't share, no? Monday class itself I will share, okay?
Okay.
Your name? Venkata Satish.
Now, Lakshman Kumar Janalagadda.
Lakshman, okay. I remember Lakshman, I will personally ping you my number. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.